Experienced nursing home wandering lawyer Samantha Cucker at Cucker Law Group. Contact Cucker Law Group at 929 274 8000. New York City nursing home wandering lawyer, Cucker Law Group. Many elderly individuals who live in nursing homes or assisted living facilities are at risk when they don't have the appropriate oversight and care. One of the ways they are particularly at risk is when they wander off without assistance. This puts them in harm's way and in danger of encountering situations that may put their well-being or very life in jeopardy. If your loved one has been injured while wandering or away from their care facility, this can signal negligence. You may need the assistance of a New York nursing home wandering lawyer to get to the bottom of it. Nursing home residents wandering may indicate facility neglect. Families dedicate significant time and financial resources to finding a nursing home facility that offers the best care for their loved ones. When they find one that they feel they can trust, it offers incredible peace of mind. But even when a family finds a facility to provide the proper daily care, if there is not adequate and skilled staffing on hand and their loved one wanders away, this is another form of nursing home neglect. When movement is not safe in a New York City nursing home. Movement in a nursing home setting is suitable for many residents. Mobility in the halls and throughout the facility allows some residents to exercise, provide mental stimulation, and relieve stress and loneliness. This can improve their physical, mental, and emotional well-being. While movement should be encouraged for these individuals, staff must maintain the proper oversight so residents don't disrupt other residents or wander into dangerous areas of the facility. In some cases, residents may try to actively leave the facility altogether. What is New York City nursing home elopement? When a resident of a nursing home or long-term care facility leaves that facility unsupervised, it is referred to as elopement. Elopement, as a medical term, means to leave a treatment facility without appropriate permission or authorization. Elopement can be a particular issue in nursing homes, and those who successfully leave can put themselves at serious risk. Dementia and nursing home wandering. Over 50% of nursing home and long care facility residents suffer from some form of dementia. And while exact figures vary, it is estimated that nearly a third of nursing home residents, and between 25 and 70% of those with dementia wander in and from nursing home and long-term care settings. The most dangerous form of wandering, elopement, can leave cognitively impaired and confused residents in situations that can result in injuries, hypothermia, or even death. What are the dangers of nursing home wandering? While nursing home wandering and elopement are always potential issues in long-term care settings, this behavior can lead to serious dangers for the resident. When a loved one wanders about the facility or leaves the facility entirely, they may be left unsupervised by skilled staff for an extended time. This can lead to many unfortunate consequences. The resident can become disoriented and lost. He or she may get injured. He or she may be left without food or water for an extended time. The resident may be subjected to the elements. How can facilities protect their residents from wandering? While nursing homes must meet the social and physical needs of their residents, they are required to enact reasonable actions to keep those who are prone to wandering safe and inside the appropriate areas of the facility. This demands that administration and staff have proactive measures in place, with adequate and skilled staffing that allows for ample supervision, a safe lounge area for those who wander or need social stimulation, walking areas that are well lit and free from clutter, signs or photos offering familiarity and identification inside and outside resident rooms, meaningful activities for residents, a front desk and front doors that are manned to monitor those who enter or exit, fully operative locks on all the doors and windows, an alarm system that sounds when doors or windows are opened, bed alarms for those who are at particular risk of wandering, monitored security cameras that track movement at doors, frequent supervision and bed checks for those residents who are particularly at risk for wandering or leaving the facility, the use of a wander guard for high-risk residents, adequate property fencing with a locking gate. Policies and procedures are in place when a resident has wandered to ensure a quick response. Neglectful and unsafe nursing home environments. While many nursing home residents wander or elope because of a social need or cognitive impairment, some may feel unsafe in their environment. When a resident feels unsafe, there may be a good reason. Nursing home abuse and neglect affect thousands of institutional residents and their families each year. The National Center for Victims of Crime reports that 10% of older adults that live in these community settings are victims of some form of elder abuse or neglect, including physical or sexual abuse by staff, physical or sexual abuse from other residents, psychological abuse, gross neglect, financial exploitation. What compensation can you be entitled to in nursing homes wandering? If your loved one suffered injuries while wandering or eloping from a nursing home or long-term care facility, they might be entitled to compensation for damages. These include any medical expenses, prescription costs, medical equipment costs, costs to relocate from that nursing home, in-home care and nursing costs, pain and suffering, mental anguish, getting legal assistance from an experienced nursing home abuse lawyer. If you have a loved one that has experienced an injury or other damages in a nursing home wandering incident, you may be able to hold the facility and staff liable for those damages. Contact us online or call us at 929-274-8000 to schedule a free consultation.